Alright, this is March 24th, 2011. Here with my brother and my dad hunting arrowheads, south central Pennsylvania. There's a spring right over the little rise here, and there was a frontier fort here for a while. And before that, it must have been a site for Indian village, because we find quite a few arrowheads here. And just found a little bird point here. Made out of some dark chert. Pretty nice little piece. Tip's busted off a little bit there. My brother found one too. I haven't seen it yet. I also found this chunk of kind of crazy material for this area. Can't really see it much without being washed up. I found this big chunk of rhyolite. Looks like it's worked along this edge. Might have been a scraping tool some kind. Alright, we'll put anything else on there we find. It's getting just about dark though, so might not find anything else tonight. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes here, and seeing the point of another one sticking up here. I haven't pulled it out yet or anything. There it is. Alright, it's whole. A little bit lopsided. It's the second whole piece for the night here. It's been a couple months since I found the whole piece, so I'm pretty happy with this. Alright, we'll put on anything else if we find anything. Alright, do a little cleanup video here. Here's stuff that my brother found. Light rhyolite point, really sharpened down a lot. Here's the point of another piece. It's kind of blunted, but it's worked all the way around that edge there and broken off. It's a little piece of jasper. Here's a tail piece of another one, back half of a point. Got little side notches there, and there's just a little piece of rhyolite. Here's the stuff I found. Here's a kind of a crude point, pretty busted up and roughed up. Here's the midsection of a piece, broken on both ends. Would have been a pretty nice sized blade. Here's a scraper or some type of tool. It's worked around this rounded edge here. Here's a side notch point made out of rhyolite, a little bit chunky. And then here's a really nice one. Got a ding on the tip there and a little bit of breaking here on this side, but it's really finely napped chert or flint of some kind. Got a little bit of a flute right there in the center where they're taking a notch out of the base. Really neat piece. I think in this area they call it a Stanley. I'm not sure. But that was our finds. Pretty good day.